I'd like to show this example and how to model with the Mechatronic Concept Designer. So here we have two boxes and some conveyors and a slide. So let's start by modeling these boxes. So first of all, we can apply rigid bodies to this box 1 and another rigid body as box 2. And as you can see, when I start the physics engine now, these boxes will fall down. Now when I would like to model this slide here, for example, I will just create a collision body. So this collision body will just cover the face of the slide here. And I will set the collision category to 0 so that this collision body will collide with every object. Now when I play start, you will see that the box still falls through as this rigid body does not carry any collision body yet. So therefore I have to create a collision body. Switch over here to solid body, select the box, entire box. And now you can see here that this box 1 now does carry a collision body. When I play now, you will see that the box is sliding down, but it's still falling through the floor. So therefore I will just model also the floor as a collision body. And now you will see that the box is falling down and it will just stay on the floor. Okay, let's look at the yellow box. So this yellow box should fall down to this conveyor and then being conveyed over to the next one, and down there, and then it should also get to the floor. When I look at the assembly navigator, I can see that all the 4 conveyors are from the same part. So therefore, I can just make this conveyor as a work part, and then I can just model this conveyor as a collision body and apply a transport surface to this collision body. I can now pick this edge here to select the conveying direction, and I can set the parallel speed of the conveyor. Okay. Having finished this, I can just go up again to the top assembly level. And when I play now, I see that the yellow box does not yet come with a collision body. So I will just select collision body and apply this to the box. Now you can see that this box is going to be conveyed down, and you also can see that this box is falling over here. So what I can simply do, for example, to make sure that the box is not falling over here, that I can, for example, apply another collision body. As a face here. And now I can switch over from shape properties automatic to user defined. And I could now define the height as, for example, 100. So this will adapt the collision shape here. And now I can start the simulation. And now you see that the boxes will hit this hidden collision face and being conveyed over to the ground floor. Now when you just apply object source to the boxes, set time interval of 1 second to the source, you will get a continuous creation of objects which will be conveyed down the slide, down the conveyors.